Now, usually the situation is there's a citizen, either Canadian or American,
Right.
who has found someone through this search for meaning and finding someone who is attractive, who lives abroad. And the question boils down to, after discussions and, the formalities and so on, is there enough glue there in that relationship to make it worthwhile to sponsor this person, which means to help this person immigrate, let's say, to Canada, and to take on responsibility for this person's immigration and indeed for what happens after they immigrate in terms of being in the new country. And believe it or not, the law places the exact same attention on this question that we need to put on it. And the law is all about, is the relationship for real? That's the big question. And why you need an immigration lawyer to help you is because you have to address that question properly. A lot of people don't know that there's a category of workers called immigration lawyers, and sometimes consultants are trained to do the same thing, but usually it's immigration lawyer. If I have a toothache, I know I have to go to a dentist, called a dentist. If I break my leg, I know I have to go to a doctor, to a hospital. But not everybody knows that if they have an immigration question that the character or the type of person who helps people in that area is usually an immigration lawyer. In the United States, they're called attorneys; in Canada, lawyers. So once you make the decision that, yes, this person who lives abroad, it might be in Jamaica, it might be in Africa, it might be in Europe or China or wherever, once you, as a Canadian citizen, or in Canada, even if you're just a permanent resident, and in the United States, similar rules apply, you can sponsor someone, meaning you make it easy, or you can open the door for the person to be able to immigrate to the new country. That's what sponsorship is all about.